here we are, FABFITFUN unboxing. Let's do it. Let's say I kind of got mine quick. We did it at the end of January, and it's like past mid-February. So I wouldn't say it was like too bad. Didn't pay for expedited shipping or anything. And I don't know if you saw my videos about trying to customize this thing. It was a mess. I ended up choosing something almost completely different, but I think it'd be cool to talk through today. Okay, so let's see what the box looks like this time. It's spring. Has a woman's face on it this time. Very cute. All right, so let's see what was actually in my customization. I'm just gonna hold them up. I'll open what I can, but like won't really focus on it. The first one is a Drunk Elephant lotion. Actually, so glad this came in. I am about to run out of my other lotion that I've been mixing with the other lotion I got in my last FABFITFUN box, the Bobbi Brown one. That one, unfortunately, I think is like setting off my face a little bit. So it's nice to have something that's unscented and gonna be awesome. So looking forward to using that. Also very cute box, but I don't know. It's just tough to reuse boxes like that. Okay, let's see what else is in here. Oh, I do remember getting these bowls. Okay. Oh, these are so cute. I think I'll take them apart because I was planning on, if I was going to gift them, I would have actually split them up anyways. And like put little things inside is what I'm thinking. So they're like little reusable bowls, and they're stainless steel, I think, which is awesome. So there's two of them. One that's smaller inside. I think it's the same pattern. So those two right there. This is a really good size, I think, for gifting, for eating like a salad in, and the lid is nice and decently tight. Very cute. And then I think all my other selections, I think I had 6 selections. A few of them went towards, one of them was actually, I ended up choosing the Sterling Forever, which is a jewelry company. I ended up choosing to go with their $50 gift card. I don't know what it was comparable to, like maybe 14 bucks or something. And in fact, exchanged it. And then I chose to exchange the other 3 as well for their like add-ons and stuff like that. So ended up, I don't know how much I ended up paying. I think it almost zeroed out. Pretty close to it, I think. But I am visiting some friends who have cats. That's why I've been hearing jingling the whole time. I'm also visiting a friend who has a dog. So I got these really cute French-inspired, this French dog with a French bread inspired dog toy. And you're just, I don't know if it's chewy or not. Oh, I just feel something. There we go. We'll see my kids come up because of that. But she actually was really into French in high school. I was in high school, did high school with her, and I thought it would just be cute for her and her 2 pups. And then I did actually end up getting a sunscreen. This is a Holy Frog SPF 30, and I think it was only for $5, which I was very impressed by. So this will be like, I now will have 2 sunscreen backups, but I'm almost done with my current one, and I have one in the wings that expires in May, and then we'll have this one. This one's 2 fluid ounces and will expire, oh no, does it really expire in April 2026? My other one expires in May 2026. Oh, I was hoping this wouldn't happen. Of course, they would always have like nearly expired things, so I'd have like, I'll have to use this one up next, I think. Is it possible? Possible. We'll do my best. The next one's actually super cute. This is a little trinket tray, but it's in a birthday cake. And I always love, I don't know if you've heard about this before, but I actually use a lot of my FABFITFUN things as gifts, as you've probably seen already. So to get a little like birthday cake inspired tray, I think is super cute. I think that's it for the box. Yep. And then I ended up getting did get my Sterling Forever items recently as well. And so I did order that. It's nice that they came in kind of around the same time. And I got 3 things. I think I paid maybe like $8 for 3 items with shipping. They came with little bags, which I think is actually really cute, especially for gifting. And let's see what I got. So the first one I got is these little earrings here. Not quite my style, but I could see for some sort of special event I could maybe throw these on or gift them. These ones I think are a lot more wearable for me. These are actually have opal in them, and I love opal. And I think the other earrings that I usually go to are starting to, oops. Oh, one of them was like out of the container. That's so weird. Okay, so I have one of them that's out of here to show you. Yeah, it's just that, and I guess it can just hang like that. So I think it's very subtle and also very delicate. Put it back in its little container. And then the last one I got is actually a whole chain. I really enjoy wearing like longer chains. This one is actually supposed to be for sunglasses. But I thought that this pattern was really pretty, kind of unique. It's kind of like a 3 pearl pattern here. And it's actually intended for sunglasses. So there's little sunglass holders here. And I actually have some previous jewelry experience, just kind of like personal tinkering. Like I've like sold a few items like at craft shows and stuff like that. Let's see if it fits over my head. It does. Cool. But I was thinking I could just figure out a way to take off those little attachment things, or I'd probably just hide behind my hair, to be honest. Or just gift it to someone in my life who has eyeglasses, and or even to use for sunglasses. But I thought that this was actually pretty cute just as a necklace on its own, and I was really happy to pick this up because it is, sometimes I just go into a store and I don't really find anything that's kind of simple like this. But yeah, this would be super easy to remove or even just cut off, to be honest. It's just kind of hooked right on there. So I might keep this one for myself and then gift the other two. But yeah, all in all, I would say it was a really interesting way to kind of finesse the FabFitFun box this time. I would say all in all, let's see, the box itself I think is about $64 now. I paid the extra $7 for like the Sterling Forever shipping and everything like that. So I would say it's probably closer to $70 for everything that I paid for. And just do a quick count, I guess. I'm going to break it down to like individual components, not, and I know some of it would be like, why are you counting a cat toy as like $7? But hey, just a breakdown, okay? So basically I got 3 items from Sterling Forever. I got the trinket tray. I got 2 bowls. I got the sunscreen. I got the moisturizer. I got 2 dog toys and 2 cat toys. Is that everything? So 12 things for like $70. Fast math can't really help me here. Is that like a 8? No, that doesn't seem right. 70, 12, oh, around like $6 each. Okay, got it. Around $6 each, which I think is like decent. I mean, like this is not $6, right? So if you did a little bit more evening out, I think it's fine. Especially for the jewelry too, right? $6 each piece of jewelry, like that's something like if I found that at a discount store, I'd probably be like, oh, that's actually a pretty nice piece for $6. So yeah, I'm not like super disappointed. I think it's like fair. And I think I picked things that I can easily gift. I think I'm only gonna keep this one and the sunscreen. This one I'm gonna probably keep, is that it? Yeah, 3 out of the 12 items. And the rest are gonna go to friends over the course of this year. So I would say that's actually pretty successful, and I actually really enjoyed the way I finessed it this time around. I think it's a little bit different, and I mean, I don't expect anybody to do the exact same thing, but it was fun for what it was, and I think that's kind of the fun of it, was just to like have a little bit of a shopping spree for myself and for my friends, and to get a little bit out of it. But now I actually like put stuff away and actually use things, so here we go. But yeah, hope you enjoyed watching that, and I'll see you in my next video.